Follow these easy steps to create a new profile for your Safari browser on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Here tap on the search app box and type here Safari and open Safari settings. Once you're here, scroll down and just tap on new profiles. And here in this name box, give a name for your new profile. Select an icon for your profile. To get more icon, tap on this three dot and here you will find more icons. Select a color for your Safari new profile theme and now just tap on done. And you have successfully created a new profile. And now let's see how to switch profiles in Safari browser. Go to your browser and to switch profiles, tap on this tab icon at the bottom right, tap on this menu icon, tap on profiles and here you will find the list of all created profiles. Select the profile that you want to use and tap on done and you will be directly jump into the specific profile. So that's how we can create and switch profiles in Safari browser on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.